Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel. Let's STEM together. I'm Tanya Satchel. This is the second style video for this activity. This activity is a type of kinetic art known as a rolling ball structure, but also known to those who are familiar, marble ball run. Now this is a different style of the marble ball run. Now this is why I'm doing this again, because this one could be a little bit more challenging. So this is for my older kids. Let's see what you got. There's also a way to take this even a step higher by using Legos and then creating a flat surface of marble run that you just slightly incline a little bit. So this one is going to require an incline. You can make this as small or as long as you want. Now, I don't want to use up all my popsicle sticks, so I'm making a short one. But you decide. You decide. Popsicle sticks are $1 at the dollar store. You can make it however long and challenging that you want it to be. So let's get into it. The items, so I'm going to bring the camera up closer, let you see the supplies that I have, and actually up close on how I'm going to do this activity. So let's do it. What you're going to need is a hot glue gun. Y'all know I love my hot glue gun. So you're going to need a hot glue gun, some marbles. You can use a cup to catch it or just let it roll freely however you want to. But just make sure, as a safety announcement again, however many marbles you start with, that's how many marbles you finish with. Popsicle sticks, however many that you want to do. And some scissors on standby. You don't have to cut the popsicle sticks. You can cut them however long, short, however challenging you want to make this marble run. You may want to make it epic and cut them all into thirds and just have the marble rolling everywhere. Go for it. It's yours. So let's get started. This is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to move these over to the side. I'm going to bring the board flat so you can see how I'm doing this. All right. We're going to start with 2 long popsicle sticks right at the top. Give you 2 starting. Get some hot glue. Place it on the edge. You don't have to put much on here. It's hot glue, it's gonna stick. Have your 2 angled differently. Maybe one a little steeper, one less steep. This one, the marble is going to roll however it rolls. You can adjust it, trial and error. This is one of those trial and error style marble runs. Just put them everywhere. Let's see what happens. You know what? Maybe nothing happens. You may put them all on here and absolutely nothing happens. But we're gonna find out what that glue hide. I'm gonna put 2 down here. how I did these. I just broke it in half. Just like that. Ooh, that's a lot of hot glue there. Well, let's see what happens now that we have something. We're gonna create a collection. We're just gonna, let's see. Here, maybe not. Hopefully, it won't fly off. Something else. Y'all remember that game? What was it? What was that ping game where you pull it back and release it and the ball shoots up and it goes all through? I feel like this is what this is. So let's bring it down a little bit more. There we go. There we go. Now you go in and add whatever you want to add to this. Make it yours. Make it longer. I suggest make it longer, you know, so you can send more marbles down. So I hope you enjoyed this activity. Again, this is just the second version of the marble run project, and there's a third one that's even more challenging, using Legos. So if you have Legos sitting around and you have a Lego board to connect them to, take a spin at that, especially for my older kids. So I enjoyed it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for doing this project with me. I hope y'all have a great day. Let me know what you think.